Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade hair gel, step by step. Making your own hair gel is a fantastic way to avoid harsh chemicals and nourish your hair with natural ingredients. It's surprisingly simple and cost-effective, giving you a product that provides hold, shine, and moisture. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to storing your finished gel, ensuring you have a fresh, natural styling option. Let's begin by combining our main ingredients. In a medium saucepan, add 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds and 2 cups of water. Place the pan on your stovetop and bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and continue to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Remember to stir frequently to prevent the flax seeds from sticking to the bottom of the pan. You'll notice the liquid starting to thicken and become frothy. Once your mixture has reached a gel-like consistency, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to strain the gel immediately using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, as it will thicken further as it cools, making straining more difficult. Let the strained gel cool completely to room temperature. At this point, you can customize it by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance or a teaspoon of aloe vera gel for extra moisture and hair benefits. Proper storage is key to extending the life of your homemade gel. Transfer the cooled gel into a clean, airtight container, such as a glass jar, and store it in the refrigerator. It will typically last for about 2 weeks. To use, simply take a small, pea-sized amount and apply it to damp or dry hair. It's excellent for defining curls, taming frizz, or providing a light hold for various hairstyles, leaving your hair feeling soft and natural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.